Located in the quintessential New England town of Groton, 147 Lowell Road is for sale. For those of you unfamiliar with Groton, Groton is 33.7 square miles large, accommodating just over 4,000 households and a population of approximately 11,000. Groton is well known and proud of the conservation of open space, which is approximately 40% of the town, just over 8,000 acres. This town is absolutely beautiful no matter the season. Home to two prestigious private schools, the Groton School and Lawrence Academy, there is also an excellent regional public school shared with the town of Dunstable. There is so much to like about this town, with gift stores, flower shop, blood farm, a few restaurants, a hotel, a bike path running from Ayr all the way to Nashua, New Hampshire. The Groton Hills Music Center is new and a much acclaimed addition to the town as a highly regarded music school and performance center. Lost Lake offers swimming during the hot months, or just over the line in Shirley, there is a secret rope swing where you can jump into fresh water. There are two rivers in Groton, the Nashua and Squanicook, both which eventually feed into the Merrimack River that winds its way to the ocean on the North Shore. As mentioned, Groton is a large geographic town, but it has a small classic New England feel. You only get to see that on a daily basis if you drive through the center of town, which makes one of the features of this home especially unique. Gibbet Hill was slated for development, and one of its residents bought over 300 acres to preserve the hill for all to enjoy. 147 Lowell Road is nestled atop Gibbet Hill with unobstructed views of the southern portion of the town. Offering 6 acres, this property is within walking distance via conservation trails to the center of town, or a 1-minute drive. A classic New England cape, this is a builder's home. There is something about quality oftentimes that people can just feel, and in this home that quality is showcased with a warm and welcoming floor plan. They took advantage of the view through an open first floor plan and a wall of windows that is very unique in New England. There is a large deck that allows you to go outside and enjoy the morning or the afternoon. Whether you have morning coffee on the deck or watch a rain or snowstorm in the comfortable living room anchored by a hotel-sized fireplace, you will certainly enjoy the view. If your day includes needing a separate area for an office or to watch TV, there is a den with a wood-burning stove and custom built-in bookcases. The surround sound is also connected in this TV room and in the open living area I just mentioned. The kitchen was installed by Sterling Kitchens, well known for quality, and this kitchen is no exception, with impeccably maintained cherry cabinets, loads of storage, a walk-in pantry, a gas cooktop, double ovens, and a Pâtissier Station. Enjoy casual meals at the Granite Peninsula or at the eating kitchen table. For more formal affairs, there is also a space for a dining table in the main living area. In high demand these days is first floor living. This home offers a primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a linen closet, and the ensuite features a soaking tub and a separate shower stall. First floor laundry with a laundry sink and exterior access is off on the garage side of the house. On the second floor, there are 3 very large bedrooms and many options if you need 1 or 2 home offices. Technically, there is a primary suite with an ensuite on the second floor, and there are maid quarter stairs leading to the first floor kitchen. The second bedroom is great for a nursery or even a guest room. Another very large bedroom and adjoining sitting area with double closets connects to another bathroom with a soaking tub and a separate shower stall. While this home is perfect on so many levels, should you want or need more livable space, you can increase the size of the home by finishing the walkout basement, and it too has unobstructed views. This type of expansion will surely create value in the property. This property also offers a flat garden area with stately oaks and colorful maples, as well as a vegetable garden area and a shed. Welcome home.